Okay, here is Yanka and Hawk's litter, 4 weeks old, outside for the first time.
You bited my ear.
They're a little chilly.
Oh, don't jump off the side. This guy's pretty bored here.
Okay, so let's hold them up so we can tell who's
That's
who.
a girl too.
Nope, I got 2 explorers already.
Hey.
Those are 2 boys over there, 2 black and tan boys. Pata pata.
Hey guys.
Pata pata. No, no,
Come
no,
here.
no. Come on,
Pata,
Papa.
pata.
Over here.
Come
Come on, Papa. Pata pata pata. Come on, Pata pata boo. Okay. Show me those 2 sables.
Getting up.
Okay, which one's the boy? Right there on the left. Okay. These are the 2 sables. The boy is on the left. The girl is on the right. Beautiful babies. Beautiful babies. Oh, they're cold. Okay. Alright, hold the 3 boys. This is a boy. Where's the other guy gone?
Right behind you.
Okay, these are the 3 black and tan boys. Actually, the one on the right's very red. The one in the middle is more tan. The one on the left is a little lighter. Can see this guy on the outside.
Keep jumping.
Okay. And then my girl. And then this is my girl. Doug and Elena. This is the one you're getting. Hi, little girlie. Oh, I know. I know. It's so chilly out, isn't it? Hi. Hi, babies. Hi, baby girl. There's a girlie. Hello, baby girlie. Oops. And this is the boy. Here's your boy, Karen. Hello. Oh, I know. I know. You guys want to go in?
She's cold. She's shaking.
Hi, baby.